video was made for finish the English lessons test from MTT. And before we going to the materials, let me introduce myself. My name is Fanny Nisa Setiawati, and you can call me Fanny. And let me introduce the members of these groups, which are Rudy Gunawan, Fitriani Ningsih, Fitriani Junior, Muhammad Syamsul Arif, Rianti, and the last is Ricky Bernius. We are from organizing groups, and now let's see our presentations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rudy Gunawan. What is this organizing? Organizing is the establishment of effective authority relationship among selected work, person, and workplace in order for the group to work together efficient, or the process of dividing work into section and department. Organizing in company's point of view is the management function that usually follow after planning, and it involves the assignment of tasks, the grouping of tasks into department, and the assignment of authority with adequate responsibility and allocation of results across the organization to achieve common goals. It's all from me. Tell you about point. What is this organizing? Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fitriani Ningsih, and you can call me Fitri. I would like to explain when managers begin the organization. Once a plan has been created, a manager can begin to organize. Organizing involves assigning tasks, grouping tasks into departments, delegating authority, and allocating research across the organization. During the organizing process, managers coordinate employees, research, policies, and procedures to facilitate in the goals identified in the plan. Organizing is highly complex and often involves a systematic review of human research, finance, and priorities. Before a plan can be implemented, manager must organize the assets of the business to execute the plan efficiently and effectively. I think it's all for me to explain you about when managers begin the organization. The next point would be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Syamsul Arif. I will explain about their organizing. A form of organizing work, people work together to achieve the objective. Requiring management. Management requiring organizing to make the effort to achieve the objective itself. Specifically, there are three main reasons needed management in the organizing, namely 1. Achieving objectives. Management makes it easy to achieve organizing and personal objectives. 2. Maintain a balance between conflict objectives. Management of balancing objectives and conflicting activities among the stakeholders in the organizing. Stakeholders such as owners, employees, consumers, suppliers. 3. Achieving efficiency and effectiveness. Efficiency and effectiveness is a measure of organizing achievement.
Hello everyone, first let me introduce myself. My name is Hani Sestiawati and you can call me Fanny. And I'm from organizing group and I get a point to explain point why in organizing. First, why organizing is very important things because the functions of the managers in a company is undertake to design structure and arrange the components of an organization's internal environments and to facilitate attainment of organizational goals. And organizing creates the frameworks needs to reach company objectives and goals. And the second, why organizing is never ending task, because after you spend a lot of time organizing, it's unless you change the ways you organize and take care of your stuff, after a period of time, the organizations will be unattainable, and it means you have to make a new system to keep your work. It's still space organized. And the third or the last, why organizing information is the one of important things too, because it's an essential quality to have when you work in business or anything you has to do information of management. For research, organizing information is the critical important to them, because without a proper organizations will be research a data and the results will be heavily off the targets. Okay, I think it's all from me. Tell you about point why in organizing, and the next topic about organizing will be explained by my friends. Thank you everyone.
My name is Fitriana Junior. Next, how step required organizing. This step is 1. Determination and balancing activity. What is meant by step is essentially a division, classification, and arrangement activity to be carried out. Number 2. Arrangement organ of container. This step is intended to make the organ of container needed to accommodate all the activity that have been arrangement. Number 3. Filling organ with duties, power, authority, and responsibility. This step is to enter the activity that have been to arranged into the organ that have been formed. Number 4. Linking organ to each other with lines of authority and responsibility. So, this step is an activity to determine the relationship of power and responsibility based on formal authority. Number 5. Complete the organ with required equipment. Tools and or equipment are not necessarily good because they have a high or price. Number 6. Placement of the right people in each organ. So, to be mobilized, one more step is still needed, namely the placement, the people or labor needed in each organ. Number 7. Create an organization chart. The last step is to intended to describe or illustrate the organizing structure or paper or make an organizing chart.
Introduction. My name is Rianti. In the video, I will explain conclusion from organizing. From the explanation, copies of the short paper above it can be concluded that it is extremely important the organizing in the of management, because it is the function of poor management where there got to be some and very needed. The role of the organizing of the is very important and very much determine the next step in the of management. A term of the organization have to the general meaning. First, were created in accordance with an institution or group of functional. For instance, within this data collection referred on corporation, government agencies are aspects, hospital charged for their service, or a sport. The latter sense, it is in this data collection referred to the process, the organizing of the as one of in connection with the management of the function of the subsection. On other, the function of the organizing of the families, and there are also a function, the purpose of answer that in the end can forming the organization structure, which are in structures are of divided of answer that in the end can forming the organization structure, which are in structures are of divided into several portions. The success of hires of the organization also shared with the counts relating to the role of its member. The success of could be achieved if there are any of a proper partnership between the members of the group, and failure could be caused because of internal factors in organizing the negative. All this conclusion from me. I am sorry if many the wrong word. Thank you, ma'am.